Stop buying almond oil, make it in 10 minutes. Here's how I make almond oil at home. 2 easy ways. Gold, flavorful almond oil for skincare drizzling. No fancy press needed. Method 1, cold blend and strain. Fresher, cold press style vibe. 2 cups raw, unsalted almonds. Roasted almonds. Toast your oil. Great for food, not ideal for skin. Your call. I toss the almonds into a high-speed blender. Food processor. Short pulses until it turns into coarse meal. Then a smooth paste. Think almond butter. Scrape down the sides as I go so everything blends evenly. Once it's a glossy paste, I add a tiny pinch of salt only if I'm using this for food skip salt for skincare. No water. Water makes it spoil faster. Now I transfer the paste into a clean jar. I cover it but don't seal it airtight. Then I let it rest at room temp for 24-48 hours. The oil starts separating on its own. Gravity is my friend. After it weeps a visible oily layer, I spoon off the top oil. Pour off the top oil. Then I bundle the paste in cheesecloth. Squeeze over a bowl to extract more. Slow, steady pressure, no twisting super hard. That pushes solids through. I let the oil sit 30 minutes so any fine bits settle. Then I decant the clear oil into a dark glass bottle. Label and date it. Storage tip. Cool, dark place up to 2 to 3 months, or fridge up to 6 months. If it smells like crayons, it's rancid. Toss it. Method 2, warm infusion. Fast and great for skincare. I lightly crush 1 cup of raw almonds to open them up. Then I add them to 1.5 cups of a neutral, stable oil like grapeseed oil, light olive oil if that's all I have. If I want pure almond only, I skip this method and stick to method 1. But infusion pulls a ton of aroma fast. I set the mix over the lowest heat possible, or in a double boiler. Target, warm bath, around 140-160 degree IC, 60-70 degree IC. I keep it there 45-60 minutes, stirring occasionally. No sizzling. Overheating ruins flavor and nutrients. I cut the heat, cover, and let it steep off heat for another hour. Then I strain through a fine mesh and again through cheesecloth for clarity. Optional. For a super clear finish, I chill the oil, let cloudiness settle, then pour off the clear top. For food, I drizzle on salads, yogurt, use as a finishing oil, never high heat fry. For skin, I patch test on my inner arm and wait 24 hours. Nut allergies are real. Quick math, 2 cups of almonds usually yield 3 to 6 tablespoons of pure oil with method 1. It's normal to get less than store-bought. Quality over quantity. Cleanup, wash tools with hot soapy water, then a splash of vinegar to cut leftover oil. Dry completely before storing. That's it. Pure fragrant almond oil made at home. If you try it, tell me which method you liked.